ICAS web portal. Then click on English. After that, go for need an assessment, new applicant. Then click on easier for immigration purposes. Then it will direct you to create a ICAS profile. So ICAS profile will be not created till the time you don't pay. So make sure you create your profile and pay it. And this is easy. You have to fill your basic information in there, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your gender. It will direct you to next page. In that one you have to write about your Canadian address, where you're staying, your street number and everything. Then next page will be your education in India. So you just have to fill post-secondary column. That is about only nursing. So you have to write when you started your nursing, which month and which year, and which month and which year you ended your course. And this in school name you have to write Punjab Nurses Council. You don't have to write your college name. If you're writing college name, they are not going to assess it. So make sure you write only examination body, which is Punjab Nurses Council. Then city and state Mohali, Punjab, country India, and your diploma name, general nursing and midwifery. It's a column near to Punjab Nurses registration. So write over there. Make sure you don't make any mistake while writing, and check your spelling and everything. After that it will direct you to next page. It will be like your mailing address when you do your payment and everything, and on which you will get your ICAS report. Then you have to pay for your ICAS. So it's $200. So make sure you click on the right column. So you have to go for post-secondary assessment, which is $200. You don't have to pay for electronic copy. Sorry, you don't need electronic copy for that. If you need, you have to pay $20 or $30 extra. If you need one, you can click on that, otherwise you are fine. And for here they will be asking for what you are doing ICAS. So you just have to write like immigration purposes or whatever, or if you have Canadian, you're applying for express entry or whatever, you can write that. After doing all these one, you can go back also, but make sure you fill your information correctly, because after paying the fees you can't edit it. So when you've paid your fees and everything, you will get email on your given address on your Gmail. What is the next step for completing the report? So they will send you send you one email from ICAS. So it will be stating that like what documents you need to submit, so which you have to send back to Punjab Nurses Council, which you have to do. You can do online also, and you can send your relatives or brother sister also to do that. So it's easy. So make sure you fill that form properly, in which you have to fill about your GNM first year, second year, third year, and your final year, and there is a diploma certificate, I think, and diploma certificate and your registration certificate. You have to write all that one, that you are going to assess all these mark sheets. And after that there will be two other form, which one is like ICAS address, which you have to submit on PNRC, and one is a form which you have to fill with your applicant number. So it will give you also applicant number also, so you can check that and continue doing your PNRC process from India. So I hope you enjoy this video and you will be able to do this for GNM. I know that lots of students have problems which one we have to do for ICAS. So make sure you know that ICAS take too much time, about 30 weeks to do this process. So when you get free, you have time, make sure you do this one and try to complete. Thank you for watching video.